What's up, guys? Today I will review this Kenwood Bluetooth speaker that I've bought for like 30 bucks and stuff like that, it says right here 30 bucks, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I will open this thing up because I've never had this type of Bluetooth speaker, so I'm curious how it is. We're gonna see the specs on this one, how it does say. I already have it, fucking 10 watt in total, Bluetooth 5.2, which is pretty good. This thing is not waterproof, sadly, but it's Kenwood. What do you expect? It's not like my JBLs that I have, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I will open this thing up right now for y'all and see how it is. Yeah, I'm gonna open it up and see what I have in here. It is in German, yeah, this is German also, but we don't care about this. And I'm gonna get this thing out. Okay, alright, got the charging cable and the aux port thing, which is not too bad. We don't need them yet. And now I'm gonna get this off. Interesting, alright. And this one. Let's see what we have in here, Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Alright. It looks pretty clean. Alright. There's a one passive radio right here. Kinda. Yeah. It is sealed, which is good. There's a power button, play, pause, volume, and mode, whatever that thing is, I don't know. And here's the, oh, it's type C. Alright, good. Hold on. An aux port. Alright, that's not too bad. Kenwood. I'm gonna mod that thing. I'm gonna put something on it. It's not gonna stay like this. I'm gonna probably put like a flip 4 glass thing on it, and just for fun. And yeah, I'm gonna turn it on and see how it sounds like, So I'm gonna turn it on. Alright, I'm gonna go and connect to my tablet real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna rename it. Hello, there's me right there. Yes, sir. Okay, we'll see how it sounds. So I connected it. And I see how it is, It's pretty crappy or shitty, I don't know. Joke. As you tell, it's a joke. I expected more because it's Kenwood, but alright. But it could be a knockoff Kenwood and shit like that, but yeah, alright. I will see if I could do any upgrades with it. But this was a little tiny review on this thing because I was bored, And see what kind of upgrades I can do on this one. And see if I could fit a flip 4 amplifier in this thing. If I can, then you will see a video on it. But if I can't, you will not see. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video of Basstest. Bye bye. Ain't that bad actually.
Tonight,
It's not that bad. It's alright. Still crappy.